Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Epson XP 640 series, and now I can show you how to update firmware on this printer. So first thing, to open the embedded web server of this printer. To do it, just enter the IP address from your printer. To find your address, you just need to open settings on your printer and find network settings, then network information, and then you will find the network IP, and then just enter this IP. In my case, it's 192.168.88.103. And as you can see, Epson XP 640 series, and here just choose firmware update. And now check for the latest updates, note the following, and click start. So click start, wait for checking the firmware, and as you can see, the following firmware data is available. So click start, and now do not turn the product off. Okay, so wait a while. Okay, as you can see, that's it. After your printer will update, you will be able to reopen the embedded web server. So then open firmware update again, click start, wait a while. And great, as you can see, I have the latest firmware right now. That's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!